doing right now? I'm so tired and exhausted, sitting all day, sleeping all day, sleeping all night. Welcome to Wuhan crisis. Yes, I know, I'm just wearing the same jersey from the past two vlogs. Assalamu alaikum and hello guys. I hope you guys are doing well today. So today in this video I will just show you like what is really happening in Wuhan. I don't want to create some panic situation. The last vlog, you can check the situation. This picture is from the last vlog, and now this picture is the present situation, today's present situation. You know, now us in dormitory we are safe, alhamdulillah. I will just keep repeating the sentence in each and every vlog because I don't want to make panic situation from outsider. You know, for example, my family is living outside, like my family is living in Pakistan, like the same as me, other parents that live outside, so I don't want to make panic situation for them. So now here in this situation we are safe, alhamdulillah. Our universities are safe. Also our university are providing us free food, one time a day free meal, like as I said in a previous vlog. So this video is only for the truth purpose, like what is happening in Wuhan exactly. So that's why I'm just uploading this kind of videos. I hope you get it. Also, I just want to clarify one thing with you guys, because a lot of Pakistani people and now a lot of other people has been asking me like, why haven't you guys come to Pakistan yet? Can you just guys change your place from Wuhan to another city? Can you guys transport from Wuhan to another city? Maybe you guys can just go outside from Wuhan and you will be safe, and then you can just book a flight from another place and go to Pakistan again. So I just want to make you clear, like Wuhan is locked down. So what does lockdown mean? Lockdown is like we cannot just go outside from Wuhan because every single thing is closed. Transportation are closed, subways, flights, train, every single thing is closed. So we cannot just go outside. Also, from outside, someone just cannot come to Wuhan. So lockdown is like lockdown. You get the concept, what I'm trying to say to you guys. Now guys, I'll just share you guys some videos which I'm seeing these days again. So let me show you the beautiful Wuhan just become a ghost town. So watch this. This is Khanji. I have been there like a lot of time. You can just take my previous vlogs. Literally a ghost town. I've been there so many times. Yellow Crane Tower and the Yangtze River Bridge. And the airport, Tianhe Airport. You know, I hope everything will become fine very soon. Seriously, we can just only hope for the best. Yeah, we can only hope for the best. Like the local Chinese people of Wuhan, they're just welding their doors, you know, so they can just go outside, and also someone from outside can just go inside to the room, so they just are safe from the coronavirus. So they're just welding their doors. That's bad, seriously. See, they're just welding. Locked from outside, so can you... See?
只能开这么大。
It's pretty sad, you know, but I hope the crisis will be like end soon. We can just only hope for them, for us, seriously. Also, in Wuhan, they're just spraying the disinfectant. So every week in Wuhan, they usually just spray the disinfectant, and it's really good, you know, to just keep healthy their environment, keep healthy our environment also. So yeah, let me show you the video. You know, the best part is, while making these videos will become memories, you know. One day I will just watch it, and I'll be like missing it, you know. Like, once I was a child and I was living in China and the crisis was there and I was living in that Wuhan, and it's kind of a story, you know. So I'm kind of enjoying it. It'll be like best memory ever. So that's why I'm just making videos, so to keep it memorable. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you, and see you guys in the next one soon. Peace. Ouch.